Hi students, welcome back. Now let's see about how to declare the local and the global variables in the Python. You all know that the local means if you want to use variable in a specific function or a method, you can use local variables. Okay, if you are using that in a specific function or a method, you can go for the local variables, no need for global variables. Then what about the global variables? Suppose if you want to use the same variable for rest of your complete program, then it's better to declare the variable as a global. Okay, so whenever you are declare the variables as a global variables, you can use that variable in entire program. But whenever you are using a variable in a specific function or a method, then the variables that are declared inside the function, that you call it as a local variable. Let me show you some examples of a local and the global variables. Let me take one variable as x. Okay, so here you have to use the function keyword. Def is a keyword definition. I'm just calling the definition function. And here you need to print. Let me take I am an. So this is a statement or a text I am taking. So the text has to be concatenated with the variable. So that is what I had said in the previous video while I am explaining about the multiple variables. So here you can combine the text and the variable by using the plus character. Okay, so now just call my function. Okay, so let's see what will be the output. So here the output is I'm an Indian. I'm an is a text and Indian is a variable. So what I have done here? What type of variable I had used here? I had used the global variable because I declared the variable, okay, outside the function. Whenever you are declare the variable outside the function, and if you are accessing that variable inside the function, then you call that variable as a global variable. So here x is my global variable. Okay, so you can create a variable inside a function with the same name as a global variable. Let me show you. Same name as a global variable. Let me take one statement, one variable as my country. Okay, this is my global variable x because I am declaring that variable outside the function and it's starting. So this is a global variable. My function definition. Now I'm changing my variable, means not changing. So here I'm using one more variable with the same name. You can use the same name. Okay, the same name, whatever I have declared as a global. So x is my global variable and here inside the function I'm taking again x, which is assigned with another text. So x is equal to Indian I have taken. Now let me print a text. I am an. Okay, so the text and the variable I am adding. So this is what my function definition is. I just declare the local variable and I am printing that variable. Now let's call your function, my function. Okay, after that again I am taking a print I love. This is my text and I am adding the variable. Now what will be the output? Just guess. Here my country, the x, that is a global variable, and inside the function x is equal to India, this is a local variable. So whenever I am just calling, first when I am calling the my function, this statement is going to, this function is going to be executed. What message you will get? I'm an Indian because x is a local variable. Inside the function it takes a local variable which is already here declared. So I am an Indian message will be printed. After that outside the function, again I have written one more print statement. So this print statement will take the global variable, because this is outside the function. So outside the function, it obviously takes the global variable only. Inside the function, it can take the local variable first. Means it first gives a preference to the local variable. Suppose if you didn't declare X as an Indian, first let me show you this output. So whenever I had done this, I'm an Indian. Okay, whenever I had taken it as I'm an Indian. Here Indian is a local variable, and my country, I love my country, it's a global variable. Suppose if I remove this local variable, let's remove this local variable. So what answer you will get? So you get I'm and my country, because here the X, whatever it is taking the global variable. Why it is taking the global variable? Because local variable is not present. If you assign a local variable X is equal to Indian, then first it prefers the local variables, then go for the global variable. So this is about the local variables and the global variables. Okay, and you can change the value of the global variable inside the function by using the global keyword also. Actually, global, you call it as one of the keyword. This by using the global keyword, you can change the value of global variable inside the function. Inside the function, you can change. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Let me explain you. Let me take one global variable as X. X is equal to awesome, and I'm taking a function definition, my function. So here in my definition, def is a keyword, definition my function, and inside the function I'm taking global, which is a keyword. So I'm taking global X. So global X, and assigning X is equal to fantastic. So which is a local variable. Now I'm calling my function. Next I'm writing a print statement. So sorry. So Python is plus X I have written. So let's see what will be here, what will be the output. So X I am assigning one variable, and the definition my function I just declared global X. Okay, and I am taking X is equal to fantastic. Okay, so X is equal to fantastic, and this is Python is fantastic. Why it is taken Python is fantastic? Why it is not taken Python is awesome? Instead of awesome, why it is taking Python is fantastic? Because whatever I taken the X, that I declare it as a global. So you can change the value of global variable inside the function. So in this way you can change the value of global variable inside the function, and outside the function also it can take only the local variable. It can take the only the local variable. If you suppose if you didn't call my function, just remove this my function. I am not calling this my function. Then what will be the output? What will be the output? So it will take Python is awesome, because I didn't call my function. If you didn't call my function, it doesn't return any value. It won't take the X as a fantastic. It just takes the global variable Python is awesome. Okay, so I hope you understand what I am explaining here. In this session I just explained how to use the local variable and the global variable, and you can also change the value of global variable whatever you are declared outside the function. So this you can change inside the function by using the global keyword. Okay, so I hope guys you understand. Thank you.